Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The Federal Reserve is likelier than not to deliver a second 50 basis point interest rate cut in November, traders expect, after a government report showed US inflation has cooled to a pace nearer to the central bank's 2% goal. Volkswagen cut its annual outlook for the second time in less than 3 months on Friday, citing a weaker than expected performance at its passenger car division, as pressure on Europe's top automaker continues to rise. Investor hopes for a soft landing for the US economy will be put to the test next week, as the government releases closely watched labour market data following a series of disappointing jobs reports. Wall Street's benchmark S&P 500 index is up 20% year-to-date, near a record high, and the index is on track for its strongest January to September performance since 1997.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 12 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.